Welcome to your Profitable Law Firm podcast. I'm Kelly Brubaker, your dedicated host, passionate about empowering law firm owners. Let's dive into the hidden strategies that lead to overflowing profits, scaled growth, and thriving lives. This is where overwhelm transforms into confidence, enabling you to create and enjoy your dream firm and your dream life.
We're tackling a crucial question today. When should you hire help for your law firm? And how do you know who to hire? Many solo attorneys and small firms hit a revenue ceiling where they're making a decent amount of money, but not enough to hire additional help. And this creates a catch-22 situation. You need more revenue to hire, but you also need more help to increase your revenue. So a 22 Thomson Reuters Institute survey revealed that 56% of small law firms struggle with spending too much time on admin tasks and not enough time practicing law. This is where smart hiring comes in. So when do you hire? Let's recognize the signs. Your calendar's overflowing with calls, meetings, depositions, and court appearances. You lack adequate time for casework, client acquisition, and professional development. You may find that your personal commitments are being neglected and you're experiencing burnout or high levels of stress. So how do we fix this? My suggestion is to do a time tracking exercise. This will help you to determine when and who to hire. So let's see how we do this. Take 1 week, one full work week, and track every single thing you do for that week, noting how much time you spent on each task. Once you get through the entire week, review your list. For each task you performed in that 1 week, ask yourself the following questions. Do I enjoy doing this? How much would I have had to pay someone else to do this for me? Is this billable or non-billable? And what's the minimum level of experience needed for someone to complete this task? And I know it's a drag to track your time, but here's the beauty in doing this. At the end of your week, once you get through this process, if you decide that you need to hire somebody, you're going to have all the information you need to draft your job ad and the job description. How do you use that information? Well, go through it and you'll say, okay, I'm going to group the things that I decided to delegate. I want to group those into categories by who I would delegate them to. For example, how much do you have on your list that you would delegate to an attorney, the tasks that require legal experience or judgment? Then let's group the legal research, document prep, and case management tasks and assign that to a paralegal. What about if we take our scheduling tasks, filing, and client communications and put that in a bucket for a legal secretary? And then either an in-person or a virtual assistant could be the catch-all with admin tasks, email management, and basic research. Depending on the level of expertise you need to hire, here's some potential sources to consider hiring from. Of counsel arrangements with other attorneys, semi-retired attorneys, attorneys transitioning out of big law, experienced paralegals from law firms where their partner is retiring, freelance paralegals, or virtual legal assistants. Now, once you've hired somebody and you get them onboarded, there will be a transition period. But within about 60 to 90 days, here's what you're going to enjoy. Increased revenue through more billable hours, improved work-life balance, the ability to focus on high-value tasks and business growth, and reduced stress and potential for burnout. How do you overcome hiring hesitation? Remember this. If nothing changes, then nothing changes. Not taking action can lead to stagnant revenue growth, overwork, and burnout. Inadequate staffing to support you will also create the inability to take time off or attend personal events. Hiring is an investment in your firm's future and your personal well-being. So do you want to get started on this? Here's your next steps. First, download my free Up Your Workday calculator. The link will be in the show notes below. Complete the time tracking exercise. Identify the tasks that you want to delegate and potential roles that would complete those tasks. Start by exploring hiring options that fit your firm's needs and budget. So you started your firm with the goal of making money, right? Well, let's be sure you're on the right track. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the game for years, there's always room for improvement. Join the Your Profitable Law Firm community. This community is designed to help you run your law firm more profitably. Now, we're not reinventing the wheel here. These strategies have been tried and tested by thousands of law firms over decades. But what sets us apart? Well, we break down these proven ideas into practical, actionable steps that you can implement right away. And here's how it works. Each month, we'll focus on one specific strategy. Think of it as a bite-sized approach to optimizing your business. These are the same types of strategies that high-price management consultants would recommend, but without the hefty invoice. Plus, we'll help you maximize revenue from each client and uncover the not-so-secret key to greater efficiency. Imagine your law firm where profits flow effortlessly, where you're getting the most out of your staff and technology. Whether you want a boutique lifestyle business or you have dreams of scaling up, the choice is yours. So why wait? Let's turn your law firm into a profit powerhouse. I'll leave a link in the show notes below for you to check it out and join today. If you have any questions about today's episode, please let me know by commenting below. If you know someone who might need to hear this information, please share this episode with them. Be sure to follow and subscribe to get notifications for future episodes. Did you enjoy this episode? Please consider leaving a review. And before I go, remember, profit is something you intentionally plan for in the beginning. It is not a potential bonus at the end of the year. Thanks and have a great day.